Now, this was a nice little meetup we had at the Monk Reservoir. We met some interesting people. I got to see one of the brand new MT09s in detail, among other things. And of course, as we always do, made a few friends, and Luciano got to put some more miles on the RD350. What's the real name of this reservoir? The Monk Reservoir?
Yeah.
This is the Monk Reservoir in Wanacue.
Yeah.
I never can tell where we are.
It says there's a plaque over there. Can you read it?
Yeah, but I don't read English, so
Oh, okay.
I'm handicapped.
You push our button says Jeff.
Hey, the bike ran good today. I was very impressed. Very impressed. So how's your traction control working this morning, Luciano?
Perfect.
You got it's perfect traction control. And how's those electronics? This has the latest points and plugs. And keep a pocket full of plugs with you at all
Don't
times.
forget the ABS.
ABS? Yeah, you got no BS, and you got.
I got bullshit. I got BS.
You just got BS. Hey, your blinkers are falling off in the back. When I thought one was going to come off. You can't straighten it out?
What's that for?
Yeah, but it's crooked.
I think it's bent.
Oh, the subframe is bent.
Support.
Oh, okay. I got it. You got all the latest features on this. I love these bikes. Hey, it was a good ride today. This was a nice ride. I can't complain at all.
Stuff you do when you turn around.
I turned around. It was just too much. By the lake, you can't go there. We'll be there half an hour. You just turn around. That's what I do.
Yeah.
So we're at the reservoir to hang out with the fast people in the world of MT09s that can afford a new one. Mine's on the 5th year. I got to look at what they still use. They still anodize the wheels blue. Okay, the exhaust is totally different. That's a totally different exhaust. What else did they change? I know they changed the electronics.
The gauges.
Yeah, they changed
The whole nose section, yeah.
The gauges are different.
always dash, cruise control.
Yeah, the electronics are upgraded, I know.
You can put navigation on the screen. So.
Yeah,
Where are
yeah.
you from?
The paint is nice. Paint is beautiful. So they changed a lot of things on the motor. This side of the motor looks very different.
Yeah, we can prove
I never really compared it because basically my wife got me mine for my birthday, and if I ever sell it, she'll sell me. Might not be the best idea in the world. The paint is what I like. You're saying paint is mine, but that's nice paint, boy. Very nice. Did you see that accident on the way up here? That guy, they took him in the ambulance.
Yeah.
That was the motorcycle guy in the ambulance.
He hit the car in the back.
Yeah, I know. I saw it. Harley Davidson. This is nice too. Nice. They did a nice job on this. These are different too. Mine are, you know.
Yeah, yours a little skinny, right?
No, I made that. I made the seat cowl too. Yeah. This is the way it comes. Yeah, it's beautiful. Nice. This side of the motor's different. They must have changed a lot of stuff. It doesn't really matter. If you can't afford one, what's the difference?
I think they just put color on it, no? It's just like plastic.
Yeah, it's different. Yeah, well, you know, they change things.
I mean, kind of, yeah, it's like,
Oh,
it's plastic color.
It's a cover in case you drop the bike. You don't have to.
Oh, it's a cover?
Yeah, it's a plastic cover.
Down now. So
Now I wonder if I put this on my bike. This is the 2nd generation. I wonder if I put the linkage looks different. Yeah, it is definitely different. It would not be an easy swap. You'd have to figure it out. But this you could go upshift and downshift both, right? Mine you only can go up. Supposed to be anyway. Yeah, that's really, really nice.
and it's like very smooth.
Everything about it is nice. What I always love is when you have somebody who never rode one and they look they don't, then you let them ride it. They go, holy mackerel, is this thing light? Oh my God. Another bike, no traction control, no electronic features, no nothing. Poor baby. That's nice.
You
What
can
year is
set up his
this?
own dealership.
This a new one too?
23. Yep.
Oh, okay. It's a year old. How many miles?
5,000.
Wow. So you're really riding
I've
it.
been riding this summer. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Thank you.
So, yeah, and like, I think they're selling now 14 same ones, but green color.
Yeah.
I think it's 17, 18,000
Yes.
for now because I think it's like
That's it.
sale price and like.
Let me ask you something.
They're not selling it anymore after.
Hey, Luciano. Hey, check this out. Luciano will be interested in this. He's got bar risers on here. That looks real nice, doesn't it?
You put it?
Not like the ones I made.
Yeah, aftermarket.
They're nice, right?
Aftermarket, yeah.
They look. I didn't even know they were aftermarket. They look so nice.
The 2-inch risers on.
Yeah, yeah.
They made a difference.
It's more comfortable, right?
Yeah, and I lowered the pegs an inch too because the pegs.
Was it adjustable from the factory, or you had to drill holes in?
I had to get ones that were
Oh, okay.
kind of.
These I really.
Lower. Watch your back.
Yeah, watch. The reason I like them, I made a set for my bike, and it is all to make that on a even if you got a machine shop. That's beautifully made. See, this is the same engine that's in mine. That's the generation. This engine is the same. Yeah, but this is the one they made the Kenny Roberts bikes out of.
Oh, the
Remember the Kenny Roberts one? Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Hey, you wouldn't give it a lorry? That's the.
That piece on the back is 9.8 pounds.
Yeah, I actually took that off. It was more than this.
When you take it off, you're not going to believe how much it weighs.
This is from an FZ09. And this is an aftermarket piece.
Oh,
It's
wow.
like a whole thing.
Oh, I know, I know.
So I had to get the bar in between. I had to get that. And
The camera. See the cameras over there?
Oh yeah.
So just let me explain what that last little clip was. There are speed cameras on the road that goes across the reservoir. We've met people that have gotten tickets and told us they were expensive tickets, showed us where the cameras were. So my suggestion is, and of course, buyer beware, anybody goes zooming across the reservoir thinking it's a drag strip, you might have to pay.
Over there.
Nice,
For me on the camera. Yeah.
Let me see them, baby.
Look at that. I liked riding your bike. That was great. Do you miss it?
What is that?
A little bit.
See what is 800? See 800?
Look at this. He does a loop here. He thinks he's at Island Dragway. Jim, charge him. Yeah, so the reservoir crowd was limited today. We thought there'd be a lot more people here, but always nice hanging out. Always nice seeing some new friends, new bikes, things we haven't seen before. And of course, we're in the part of the year here. You just can't, the ride up here is to die for. It's absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful day. That's a nice sound. Hey, have a good day.
Oh, yeah, plenty of gas.
You got plenty of gas? Yeah, the day is not over with a two-stroke until you run out of gas or make it home. Oh, both. All right, good day. So the meetup turned out great, and I really did enjoy talking to the fellow with the MT09. He was an ice dancer in training, and he showed us some of the video he had on his phone of him doing his thing. He was in training. Met a guy with a nice Tourer, and every time you see one of the touring bikes, there were several of them there. I didn't get a couple of them on. They came and left before I could get to them. Another guy we had some good interaction with one of the older versions of the MT09. He had a trick exhaust on there, among other things. Guy with the Big Mama, we call it the Big Mama, the Kawasaki, the Big Ninja. And Hey, we just enjoy every day out on the open road. And I do enjoy editing the video. I hope you enjoy the viewing of it, and I hope you'll take a second and hit the like button and share it with your friends. And thank you for supporting the channel. Thanks most of all for watching.